Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're looking at the scenario where you have developed a website locally and you've got a GitHub repository with all the code, and now you're looking to have a deployed and hosted version of your website so you can share the link with everyone. So first, what we're going to want to do is head over to aws.amazon.com. I'll put a link to this in the description. If you've got an account, just sign in. If you haven't got an account, you need to sign up. The account's free. Now we're on the dashboard, we're going to click AWS Amplify. If this is your first time using AWS Amplify, you're now going to want to click Deploy an App, and then GitHub. Now you're going to need to authorize GitHub to access your GitHub repository. You can either give AWS Amplify access to all of your repositories, this is easier, or you can just select a repository that you want AWS Amplify to have access to. In my case, I'm just going to select the repository that I want to deploy the code of. Click Install and Authorize. Now we've authorized AWS to access our repository, we just need to select that repository from the dropdown and then select the branch that you want to deploy from. In my case, I just want to deploy from the main branch. Unless you've done anything special with your repository, it's usually safe to leave everything as it is in this screen, so just press Next and then click Save and Deploy. Now AWS is actually going to deploy our application, and this can take a couple of minutes. And if we just wait a couple of minutes for this to deploy, we should see a successful deployed state. Once our app is now deployed, we should now see a domain name, which is just a default domain that AWS Amplify gives us. If you click that link, it should take us to the deployed version of our website. And now you've successfully deployed your first web application using AWS Amplify. Now, you may not want to use the default URL that AWS Amplify gives us, so in the next video, we'll look at how to create a custom URL for our AWS Amplify website. See you in the next one. Thank you.